Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting luxury recreational vehicles to hit the market, the Mercedes Motorhome 2026. This isn't just a camper or a road trip vehicle, it's a true statement of how far engineering, design, and technology can push the idea of a home on wheels. Mercedes has taken its reputation for luxury, comfort, and precision, and combined it with a motorhome platform that feels every bit as modern and advanced as the flagship cars in their lineup. From the outside, the Mercedes Motorhome 2026 immediately catches your attention with its sleek yet commanding presence. Unlike many motorhomes that tend to look boxy and heavy, Mercedes has crafted this with aerodynamics and aesthetics in mind. The front is unmistakably Mercedes, with the signature three-pointed star sitting proudly at the center of a bold grille that blends seamlessly into full-width LED headlights. The lighting design is futuristic, using adaptive LED technology to not only enhance visibility, but also add an elegant touch when you see it approaching at night. The body itself has smooth flowing lines, sculpted side panels, and subtle chrome accents that elevate the premium feel. Along the sides, you'll notice large panoramic windows that make the interior feel bright and connected to the outdoors. The roofline is slightly curved to help airflow and is embedded with solar panels, allowing the vehicle to generate renewable energy during travel or while parked. Mercedes has also engineered hidden compartments and flush-mounted utility hookups, so the exterior maintains a clean, uncluttered look. At the rear, the taillights mirror the design language seen in Mercedes luxury SUVs, with slim, horizontal strips of LEDs and an integrated camera system for enhanced driver assistance. Even the retractable awning and entry steps are designed to deploy smoothly at the touch of a button, blending convenience with elegance. Stepping inside the Mercedes Motorhome 2026 feels less like entering a vehicle and more like walking into a luxury apartment. The cabin has been designed with meticulous attention to detail, using high-quality materials like Napa leather, polished wood, brushed aluminum, and ambient LED lighting to create an environment that's both inviting and refined. The space is expansive, with a smart open layout that makes the most of every inch. Up front, the cockpit feels familiar to anyone who has experienced modern Mercedes vehicles. The driver is greeted by a wide digital display that spans across the dashboard, combining the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless screen powered by the latest MBX system. The steering wheel is ergonomically designed with haptic feedback controls and advanced driver assistance at your fingertips. And of course, this motorhome features Mercedes's latest semi-autonomous driving technology, which takes the stress out of long journeys by handling highway cruising and even some urban traffic situations. Behind the cockpit lies the main living area, which is thoughtfully designed for both relaxation and practicality. Plush seating wraps around a modular dining table, which can easily be converted into a sleeping area if needed. The interior lighting adjusts with customizable themes to suit the mood, whether you want bright daylight for productivity or a warm golden glow for a cozy evening. The kitchen area is compact yet incredibly well equipped, featuring an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, and a combination oven. Storage has been cleverly integrated, with overhead cabinets and hidden compartments that make sure you have room for everything without clutter. Towards the rear, the dedicated bedroom features a full-size bed with memory foam mattress, upholstered headboards, and built-in reading lamps. The design here emphasizes comfort and tranquility, with large windows providing scenic views wherever you decide to stop. The bathroom is another highlight, equipped with a rainfall shower, high-end fixtures, and eco-friendly water systems to ensure efficiency without sacrificing luxury. Mercedes has ensured that every detail contributes to the feeling that this is a true home, not just a temporary stopgap for travel. When it comes to performance, the Mercedes Motorhome 2026 redefines expectations in this segment. Unlike traditional motorhomes that often feel heavy and underpowered, This one is built on a specially engineered platform with hybrid and fully electric options available. The fully electric variant comes with a massive battery pack capable of delivering up to 400 miles of range on a single charge, with fast charging technology allowing up to 80% recharge in just 40 minutes. For those who want extended travel without worrying about charging infrastructure, Mercedes also offers a plug-in hybrid option, combining electric range with a small, efficient combustion engine for backup. On the road, the driving experience is smooth, powerful, and surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size. The advanced air suspension system ensures comfort over long distances and rough terrain, while the all-wheel drive system provides confidence in all weather conditions. Instant torque from the electric motors means that acceleration is brisk, making highway merges and overtaking effortless. Noise insulation has been perfected, so even while driving, the cabin remains whisper quiet, allowing passengers to relax or enjoy entertainment without interruption. Now let's discuss the price.